Welcome to Preyo Promo, where you learn how to create smooth and professional designs with ease. Struggling to perfectly sync elements in your Canva videos? In this tutorial, you'll learn how to control exactly when elements appear and disappear for a clean, pro-level result. Step 1. Select elements for timing. Open your design in Canva and click on the element you want to adjust. Hold the Shift key to select multiple elements and manage their timing together. Step 2. Open Timing Controls. Right-click on the selected elements and choose Show Timing from the menu. This will activate the timeline view at the bottom of your screen. Don't forget to subscribe before we move on. Get instant access to smart, time-saving tech tutorials. Step 3. Adjust element timing. In the timeline, locate the timing bars for each element. Drag the edges of the bars to control when elements start and end in your video. And that's how you can perfectly adjust element timing in Canva for smooth and professional video edits. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to Preyo Promo for more powerful and easy tech tutorials.